How to get Royal Ghost in Clash Royale. To unlock Royal Ghost, the stealthy legendary card is Clash Royale. Follow these steps to get it. You have to reach Area 12, the spooky town. The Royal Ghost unlocks at Arena 12. Win 1 versus 1 battle to gain trophies and reach 3600 plus trophies to access this arena. Open chest for Royal Ghost. Open chest for Royal Ghost. Once in Arena 12, you can get Royal Ghost from Legendary Chest, Magical Super Magical and Mega Lightning Chest, Crown Chest and War Chest if lucky. Buy Royal Ghost from the shop. Once you reach King level 10, the shop may offer Royal Ghost for 40,000 gold and 500 gems. Keep checking the shop daily for special legendary offers. You can use wildcards and trade tokens. Use legendary wildcards to unlock or upgrade Royal Ghost. If you have a legendary token, swipe unwanted legendary cards for Royal Ghost with your clanmates. Get Royal Ghost from special challenges. Clash Royale sometimes offers special events where you can win the Royal Ghost. Keep an eye on seasonal challenges and global tournaments for rewards. And that's it. Now you know how to get Royal Ghost in Clash Royale. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.